The answer to today's NCLEX question. A nurse educates a client regarding the use of oral contraceptives at a 6-week postpartum visit. Which statement by the client requires the nurse to provide additional education? A. I need to be sure to take my pill at the same time every day. B. This pill will not protect me from sexually transmitted infections. C. Once I start this medication, I need to use condoms. D. If I forget to take my pill on time, I should take it as soon as possible. What should we be paying attention to? First, the patient is starting oral contraceptives after a 6-week postpartum visit, which means she has just had a baby and contraception hormone levels have not been maintained. Second, the first 7 days after starting oral contraceptives, the patient needs to use a backup contraception because ovulation has not been inhibited. The answer is C. Once I start this medication, I need to use condoms. The menstrual cycle is regulated by fluctuation in hormones. The use of oral contraceptives works by inhibiting ovulation, altering endometrial lining, and altering cervical mucus pH dependent on the use of estrogen and/or progesterone in the pill. Hormone levels need to be maintained in order to have these desired effects. Therefore, the patient needs to be instructed to take the pill at the same time every day, and if a pill is missed, to take as soon as possible after the missed dose. In order to achieve desired hormone levels and greater increase prevention of pregnancy, clients first beginning use of oral contraceptives should be instructed to use a backup method of contraception, such as condoms, for the first week. Patients also need to be instructed that oral contraceptives offer no protection against sexually transmitted infections and diseases. If this content was helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Share with someone that might find this useful. Happy studying!